Hey, what up you guys? So I wanted to share with you really quickly just what I made for my friend Craft Junkie. She sent me her package already. I haven't opened it yet, but this is how it looks in the front. She put cute little stickers, let us know, and this beautiful washi tape. I absolutely love it. I'm going to try to peel these off because I really like these. I received her package and I haven't sent hers. So sorry, Craft Junkie, you're going to get it after Christmas, but hey, it's okay. So I basically I forget guys, you know this paper pad from Michael's, and I had this box. See, I'm going to show you how it looks. I had this box with some stuff inside, but I wanted to use the box to fit what I needed to put. So if you guys haven't checked my Instagram, I'm going to post this on Instagram of it's like a fast forward of me just putting everything in here, and then I'm going to upload this video when she receives it, so then you guys can head over to her channel if you don't have Instagram, and then you can see what I put inside. But what I am going to do is I'm going to show you how the inside looks. It is I should have Mod Podge it, but I had Mod Podge, but I didn't have anything to use it. I didn't have like paintbrushes and all that. I didn't have that on hand. So this is how it looks. I used, you see the little bit of green, but that's fine. She could throw away the box. I just wanted to decorate it because I didn't want it to look, I didn't want to have the green workout thing that was, I don't know, this box was. So that's how that looks there. And then when you open it, it's not going to be in frame. So that's how the inside looks. I just used some washi tape. It's not the best, but I've tried. And I'll just give you a little quick sneak peek. This is the card I made her because she lives in Florida and I'm jelly. So palm tree snowman, that's just perfect. So that's her card. And inside, I'll just give you a tiny little sneak peek. That's how that looks inside. And yeah, so I hope you like it, Craft Junkie. And let's move on. So this is the card. Look how cute. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, perfect. I can reuse that. Oh my god, how cute is this snowman? Oh my lands, I love this. Oh my lands, that's cornflower right there. You know I'm watching her videos because I'm using her words. Oh my lands, she says, oh my stars. Okay, these videos are gonna be dumb long because I could talk. So let me just take a quick look inside. She's so cute. She's just basically wishing me a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and all that. She's super sweet. I'm so thankful to have her as a friend. We've been friends for a little over a year now. So I'm super excited, and let's just get into this because her creations are just beautiful. I love her pocket letters, or whatever she decided to swap with me. I don't know if it's a pocket letter or a loaded pocket or what it is, but I made a pocket letter because those are my absolute favorite to make. So first off, look at this beautiful ribbon. I mean, how gorgeous is that? It's a loaded bag. No, a loaded pocket. How beautiful is this? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, guys, you can hear it in my voice. I'm super excited. Okay, so if you guys haven't checked out this tutorial, I'm going to leave it linked so you guys can see. I created this loaded pocket and I absolutely love it. It's a great way to send friend mail. It's just absolutely beautiful, and it's a great way to use 12 by 12 paper. First of all, this paper pad, I seriously need to get it. Like, honestly. Oh my goodness, super cute. Winter is magic. So here I see some snowflakes, which is funny. I added some of these snowflakes to her pocket letter. So funny. I love this one. Look how gorgeous that is. Washi samples. Oh my goodness. Look at these cute little mini journaling cards. I don't know. These are so cute. I seen Corn. She had, I think, yeah, she gave her some of these too. Oh my god, they're so freaking cute. And look at these washies, you guys. I have to catch up on her videos. It's just this whole Vlogmas, and everyone's been uploading every day. It's so hard to catch up to everyone's videos. This is super, super cute. I love these washies, guys. Check out her channel. She shows all the washi she gets from, I forget the name of the place, but I will leave a link so you guys can check her out. She gave me some little wood chips of snowflakes. She put little, and these are my colors. She knows these are my favorite colors. Little ephemera pieces and little die cuts or whatever. Oh my god, thank you. Oh my goodness, a beautiful ornament. And this is a snowflake, and you can embellish these. You can make them as embellishments. You can put this on wands. You can do so much. You can put this on gifts or your Christmas tree. Oh my God, she gave me all these beautiful tags with the ribbon attached to it. How gorgeous is that? Oh my gosh. I seriously need this paper pad. Is this the one from Michael's? Why didn't I get this one? Did I see it? I'm not sure. Oh my goodness. In here, oh, I love sequins. Anything sequins, anything confetti is my absolute favorite. Oh my gosh. Do not open till December. Nope, Christmas. Do not open till Christmas. These little cards are so cute. Oh my God, look at the mason jars. Cornflower got these too. Super cute. Oh my gosh. And here we have, oh, I love Christmas. How cute is that? Oh, these are cute. How are they? Oh my God. Have an awesome Christmas, merry and bright. Ho, ho, ho. Look at the llama with the glasses. Oh my God, they are too cute. The bunny rabbit corn. Oh my gosh, super cute. So as you can see, she has like 3 pockets. So 1, 2, and 3. So let's take out what's in here. Okay, so it looks like she made me little embellishments. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Okay guys, I have seen CornFlowerCrafts. I mentioned her a couple of times in this video because they are like besties, her and CJ. And look at the, I saw Corn's friend mail from Craft Junkie, and she gave her some embellishments that look very similar to these. How freaking cute. Oh, I love it. I love it so very much. Oh, she gave me stickers. It's a sticker book. How adorable is that? Oh, so cute. Oh, my bird. And look at these stickers here. How beautiful is that? I love it. Oh, these are from Dollar Tree. I love these. Oh, these are cute. These are from Target. How stinking adorable is that? All right, you guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. My bird woke up from his nap, so my daughter's bird in her room is chirping extremely loud, so they want to talk to each other. So I gotta let you guys go, but thank you so much, Craft Junkie. You are super cute. You are super sweet. I'm so thankful for our friendship. I really, really am. Guys, go check out her channel. I'm gonna leave the link down below of everything that I have mentioned. I'm so sorry if you guys have earbuds on. It's probably piercing your ears. I apologize. But all right, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll check you guys on my next one. Bye.